Hey folks, hey, this is Wesley Virgin. In this video, real quickly here, I want to share why you are not manifesting. I want to teach you real quickly in this video and explain to you why you're not manifesting anything. Okay? Now, first question before I get into the details here. How many of you have issues with manifestation? Okay, go ahead. Hit this. Hit. Type the number 7, or say yes, me, Wes. Even you. All right, say yeah, Wes. I'm having issues. Okay, so in about 4 minutes, I'm going to explain to you why you're not manifesting what you want. Okay, now many people ask me about, well, Wesley, do you have a course? Do you sell a program to explain this deeper? I do. And I'll leave it in the description below. But what I want you to realize that it's going to be very easy for you to understand why you're not getting what you want. Let me give you your scenario. If this is you, I want you to smash the like button. If you, when you get up in the morning, okay, like I'm in my bed, okay, and you sleep, and you wake up, and you pick up your iPhone or your Galaxy phone or maybe your laptop, check your email. If that's you, hit the like button. If you're the person first thing in the morning, after you hit the snooze, because you have to go to work or school, but you pick up your phone, smash the like button. If you're the person that picks up your phone, you go to the Instagram, go to Facebook, check your DMs, check your texts, check your emails, say yes. Comment below, that's me. If you're the person, when you get up now, I'm going to tell you why you're not getting it, right? Like me, I can manifest anything in life is great. If this is you, you check your iPhone, right? You look at what Kim Kardashian is doing, Kylie Jenner. You're looking at what the world is doing. You're looking at the news. And you put it down. And if you look at TV, you want to look at the news. You want to know what the weather is like. What's the temperature on the planet right now with the coronavirus, right? You want to know do I need to wear one mask or two masks, right? If that's you, smash the like button. If you're the person, before you go to work, you got to get your clothes on. You got to take a shower, right? Now think. You get into your car and you drive to work in traffic. And you listen to your favorite song, the favorite radio station, maybe the news station. Okay? And you get to work. You're driving fast. And you get to work and you sit in your cubicle or maybe at your business or wherever you work, right? And you get into this habitual pattern of daily normal activity. Okay? That's most of you. 12 o'clock hits, time to eat lunch. Right? In school or at work. After lunch, you rush back to work. You work for a few more hours. Looking at the clock again, you get back in your car. Okay? You drive home. You're thinking about everything you got to do. You're thinking about what you got to do with the kids. You got to think about what you got to do with your life. You're thinking about what you got to do with your husband, your wife. You're just thinking about things that must be done. Your mind is just running. Is that you yet? Right? Listen, let me explain something to you. The reason why you're not manifesting is because you're not focusing on 3 things. And I'm going to let you go. It's only 3 things you need to focus on throughout your day to manifest what you want. 1, thoughts. Okay? You have to focus on the thoughts. The question is like, what are you thinking about right now? Maybe you're watching this video. Maybe on YouTube, Instagram, I'm not sure. right? 2, how you feel. Like, how do you feel right now? Some of you frustrated. Some of you feel inspired. Some of you feel depressed, disappointed, right? Like right now. Some of you feel, Wesley, get to the goddamn. Yes, listen. And 3 is the actions. That's it. The reason why, like my life, honestly, and I'm not trying to brag, but I'm so grateful for all the wealth and abundance that is taking place in my life personally, because every day I focus on these 3 things. I think about, okay, what type of thoughts am I having right now? Am I having thoughts of gratitude, or am I having thoughts of resentment? Am I upset? Am I angry? So I'm always aware of my thoughts. Then I'm aware of how I feel. Do I feel excited? Do I feel enthusiastic? And do I feel discouraged because it's not working for me? Do I feel disappointed because everybody else is winning but I'm not winning? Am I feeling upset because of the boss, the job, the kid, the husband, the wife? And then your actions. Okay? Your actions. What actions are you taking every single day to get what you want? The average person, the reason why they don't manifest what they want, because they're having all these different thoughts about their world. When you wake up in the morning, you're just looking at the iPhone. That's it. Every morning. Every morning, I promise, dollars to donuts, you are looking at your phone, looking at TV. It's the first thing you do when you get out of your bed. You're not meditating like me. You're not visualizing your day like I do. This is what I want you to do. And listen, if you want to know more, if you want me to teach you how to use meditation to manifest faster, I will leave a link under this video. But this is what I want you to do for the next 30 days. And you let me know if you see any type of significant change in your life. Deal? Great. First thing in the morning, it's very important. Instead of picking up your phone, I want you to go into this mode of gratitude. That's all I want you to do. I don't care if you're sleeping on the floor, sleeping on an air mattress. All I want you to do, like your phone, this is what I used to do because I had a habit of always grabbing my phone. As a matter of fact, my phone was my girlfriend, okay? She was always right next to me. So what I started to do, I would turn off my phone. I would put my phone in the living room before I went to bed so I had no access to it, okay? So when I would wake up, I started to think about what I'm grateful for. Understand something about getting what you want, that you must transform or recondition your mind, which means you have to change your current habits. So all I want you to do, I want you to think about what you're grateful for, okay? Hit the like button if this is resonating with you. I'm talking to you, big head. Snap you. I love you. Okay, that's why I'm making this video for you. First thing, just be grateful. Just say, you know what? I'm grateful that I'm alive. I'm grateful that at least I have a job. I'm grateful that I have an opportunity to create my reality. I'm grateful for God. I'm grateful for the universe. I'm grateful for my parents. I'm grateful for my children. This is what I did at my lowest. I would just talk about what I'm grateful for. And then I started to talk about the things I was grateful for, even though I didn't have those things, such as I said, I'm grateful that I have a brand new Lamborghini. I'm grateful that I have $1 million real estate portfolio. I'm grateful that I'm earning $150,000 per month. I'm grateful that I'm traveling the world. I'm grateful that I'm staying in the nice 5-star hotels. I'm grateful that I'm beautiful. I'm grateful that I'm powerful. I'm grateful that I'm confident. I'm grateful that I am smart. I'm grateful that I'm intelligent with my business. Okay? Do it for 30 days. And you watch how everything starts to change, because you have to understand about something with manifestation is that Everything begins. The inception part of manifesting is your thoughts. Makes sense? Let me say, like, that's the first step. It's your thoughts. It's just what you're thinking about. That's the first step to getting whatever you want. And that's all I want you to focus on, your thoughts. Comment below, please. Your thoughts, your feelings, and your action. That's it. I don't want you to think about, I got to develop a skill. I got to start an internet company. I need a course. Nah. Just focus on your thoughts, your feelings, and your actions. That's it. Think about what you're thinking about. Like even right now, just think about what you're thinking about all the time. Be aware. And when you're thinking about something that is negative or cynical, change it. When you're feeling down, when you're feeling dismotivated, when you're feeling you don't want to do nothing, I want you to choose a better feeling, such as gratitude. When you don't want to take any action, when you don't feel like doing nothing, when you're tired because of work, you're tired of your relationship, you're tired of people, you're just tired and overwhelmed, I want you to think about, what action can I take that's going to make me feel better? Okay? So instead of focusing on millions of dollars, and I get it, flying around the world, I just want you to focus on what you're thinking about. I want you to focus on what you're feeling about all throughout your day. I want you to focus on your actions. Are the actions that you are putting out in the universe, is that conducive to the result that you want? Let me say that again before I let you go. Are your actions that you are permeating outside or around the universe, the things that you're doing on a daily basis, is it conducive? Is it aligned with the result and the success that you're seeking? That's a question you ask yourself. Just practice that for 30 days. Nothing else. Stop searching YouTube. Stop searching Google on trying to find the fastest way to make money. Focus on the three things: thoughts, how you feel, and your actions. Listen, I will leave a link to my meditation, my favorite meditation, below under this video. Much love. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin.